Okay, so we are going to solve these questions. Yeah, first one we have quadratic equation. So it's x squared minus 5x minus 14 equals 0. So we look for the factors that can be used to factorize this one before we solve it. So if we check correctly, we can use minus 7 and 2. Minus 7 times 2, that is minus 14. Minus 14. Then minus 7 plus 2 give you minus 5. So we can say they are the factors. They are the factors. So if they are the factors, then you need to eliminate the minus 5x from there. Then you replace it with the factors. So we have x squared minus 7x plus 2x minus 14 equal to 0. So we have removed the x term, then we have replaced it with the factors for the quadratic equation. Okay, so from here you group it 2, 2, then you work the factorization. So x out here, you have x will be left here, so that's minus 7. So you take x, because this x squared, you are left x. Then you take x, here is left what? Negative 7. Negative 7. Then this also, you have the highest common factor to be what? 2. That is 2 and 14. So you have 2 out, you have x. Then 2 will go into 14, that is 7. So equal to 0 here. So the fact is minus 2 times minus 7 times 2 give you minus 14. Then minus 7 plus 2, that's negative 5. So that is the factors. You eliminate the x term, then you replace it with the factors. So minus 7x, then 2x minus the 14. You group it 2, 2. X is common here. So if x is taken out, you have x to be left here. Then if x is taken from here, you have 7. Then you have here also the highest common factor of 2 and 14, that is to be 2. So if 2 is taken, you have x here. 2 into 14, that is 7. So you can see that what we have in the bracket are the same. It is x minus 7. Then have x plus 2 equal to 0. Then to solve it, you have x minus 7 equals 0. Then x plus 2 equals 0. So here x is equal to 7. Then x is equal to negative 2. X is equal to negative 2. Okay. Then the second question. The second question, we have a trader sold, as question 2. The trader sells goods worth 12,000. So meaning that the selling price selling price is $12,000. Then the profit percent is also given. Profit percent, that's 25%. So to find the cost price, that is 100 on 100 plus the profit percent times the selling price. So we use this formula to calculate it. Okay. Then after that, your cost price will be 100 on 100 plus the profit percent is 25. So times the selling price, which is 12,000. Right, so we get 100 on 125 times 12,000. So when we use 25 here 4, here 5. Then we use the 5 into itself 1, 5 into 12, that is 2. It will be 10, the remainder is 2. 5 into 20, that is 4. 5, 4, 20. So the 2 zeros will be added, meaning 5 will go into 12,000, 2,400. So we're having 4 times 2,400. So we have 24 by 4. 4 for 16. Current is 89. So we get $9,600. That will be the cost price. That is the cost price. Okay, so I want to look at the next question and write them on the board. So let's see 3. Simplify. We have, they said 3 plus root of 5, then 3 minus root of 5. So 4. If y equals 2x exponent 3 minus 3x squared plus x minus 1. Find the y dx and evaluate x equals 2. Okay, so we continue with these 2 questions here. Okay. So with the first one here, we have 3 plus root 5. Then 3 minus root 5. So you expand it. We get 3 times 3, that is 9. Then 3 times minus root 5, that is 3 minus 3 root 5. So root 5 by 3, that will give you 3 root 5. Then root 5 by root 5, positive by negative is negative. So root 5 by root 5 will give you 5. So saying this negative 3 root 5 plus 3 root 5, that will cancel out. Get 9 minus 5, which is 4. Which is 4.